came in late Saturday evening and we just went straight to bed. And yesterday we just had a relaxing day. And today we have a 2-day tour to Cape Tribulation. We just got picked up by our bus and are on our way now. It will be a 3.5-hour drive, but we will have some stops on the way. We have arrived at our hostel. We have a cute little dorm over there and we're just having some lunch now. I'm just having some corn crackers with some kind of sweet potato hummus, some bell pepper with regular hummus to dip in, and some avocado. I feel beat. It's like I'm not getting over this jet lag. I don't know why, and every time I just do something in the morning then I'm just totally beat before half the day is over. But it's really hot, of course, in the rainforest, and it's really cool. We're just sleeping now in the middle of the rainforest. There is this massive cricket outside our dorm room. I've never seen a cricket so big. This is our dorm room. It's basically just this little wooden cabin, and we closed all the shutters because the shutters are kind of like the windows as well, because we wanted to turn on the air conditioning. And yeah, basic, but what more do you need? We just had a little nap of about an hour, small hour, and now we're gonna hike up to a little creek. It's about an hour hike to the creek and an hour hike back. So I'm curious how that's gonna turn out, and we have no reception, no cell reception, and only a map. So let's hope we make it back alive. So we made it to the creek. We ended up hitchhiking with some people because the road was just pretty far and we came across them and it was just the most convenient thing to do. We'll see how we'll get back. And I unfortunately can't swim because I'm on my period. Well, I'm not exactly on my period. I had more like a breakthrough, and I think it's because of the time difference and that I started taking my pill on the same time in a different time difference. So I think my body could just not handle that. So I have a breakthrough. So I can't really swim with that, unfortunately, but I think I was enjoying the water and I'm just enjoying the nature around me. And this is Tom, one of the persons who hitchhiked with us and wanted to be on the vlog.
I'm just on the vlog. She's a beautiful girl. And welcome to the jungle. Let's do the road trip.
We have kind of a makeshift dinner. We have lentil soup to share and then noodles to share. So we're really curious about this lentil soup. It's gonna taste good, but lentils are healthy, so at least we're gonna get a nutritious. It only has 3 health stars. That's a lot. We didn't even
probably has a lot of salt.
Yeah, we didn't even choose a really one, but it's vegan, so that's good. Is this vegan as well?
No, it has chicken in it.
This also has, oh, never mind. This also only has 3 health stars, but we'll be fine. Hello guys, it's the next day and it is time for our river cruise where we can hopefully spot some crocodiles. There's like a slight chance, but you never know. Let's cross our fingers, we will see some crocodiles and there's other wildlife we can see, so very exciting. 2 minutes in the tour and we saw our first crocodile, first and last crocodile unfortunately, but at least we saw one, so I'm very happy with that. We also saw a python and a type of bird which looks like an owl, but it's not the same species as an owl, it's another one. I don't know. It was something with a frog mouth, but I don't know the exact same name. And now we're on our next stop. We're at the Muslim Gorge and everyone is just swimming here for a bit. I'm in the same situation as yesterday, so I can't really get in, and we have 10 minutes left anyway, so I don't really mind. And I think after this we'll head back into Cairns. I think this is our last stop of today. In the first place we didn't want to do this tour, we just wanted to go to Cape Tribulation by ourselves, but I think I'm really happy we did this. We got to see lots of cool stuff, try lots of cool things. Also really happy we did the overnight, because when you do the day tour you do the same things, but then you do it in one day, and now we did half day of the tour, then we had half day for ourselves, half morning for ourselves, and then the other half of the tour today, and you only pay like 20 Australian dollars more for it, the whole thing, and so you got your whole stay with it. And so I think it's only like 11 to 12 euros extra for the night, so that was definitely worth it to just give us some more time to explore everything. And we also just got to sleep in the rainforest, which was amazing. So yeah, if you do this, if you go to Cape Tribulation, I definitely recommend to stay a night extra instead of just doing the day tour.